how to add device to your Amazon Prime Video account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, log into your Amazon Prime Video account through any web browser that you are comfortable with. Once you log in, you will get to see this interface. After that, navigate to the upper section of this interface and click on your profile name or your profile icon. Then a drop-down menu will pop up with few options as your account on the left-hand side and profiles on the right-hand side. So on your left-hand side, under your account, click on Accounts and Settings. Then you will be taken to Accounts and Settings page. Again, from this menu bar, that you will see on this interface with options such as your account, order, player, restrictions. From there, click on your device option next to subtitles. And once you get to see this interface at the top, you will get an option as register another device. And alongside of that option, you will get a button as register new device. So click on register new device. And in here, first of all, you have to enter your registration code in order to register a new device. If you don't have a registration code yet, then you can follow the 3 steps given here to get your registration code. First of all, open Prime Video on your device or TV. Then select register on Prime website and your registration code will appear on the left of the screen. Once you get your registration code, type in your correct registration code here. After that, click on register device and then the device will be added to your Amazon Prime Video account. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and like the video, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.